In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Jobber in just 5 minutes. Whether you're considering using Jobber to improve your business operations or if you're a new user, this guide will walk you through setting up your account efficiently. First, let's begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Jobber website. It's always a good idea to ensure your browser is up to date for the best user experience. Once you're on the site, you'll have the option to either start a free trial or select a subscription plan that suits your business needs. This flexibility allows you to test the platform before making any commitments. Next, you'll need to provide your email address and create a secure password. Remember, using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters will help protect your account. Following this, you'll be prompted to complete the initial setup by entering some basic information: your name, phone number, and company details. Accuracy here is key as it establishes the foundation for your profile. As you input your company name, industry, and website, take a moment to define your priorities. Whether you're looking to run your operations more smoothly or attract more customers, clarify these goals as they will guide how you tailor Jobber's features to your needs. Once your account basics are set, it's time to explore the settings section. Here, you can personalize your account by adding your company logo, which helps maintain brand consistency across client communications. Customizing the look and feel of your Jobber interface makes it more intuitive and aligned with your brand identity. To ensure your entire team benefits from Jobber, add your team members to the account. You have the flexibility to manage their permissions and roles according to their responsibilities, which helps streamline operations and maintain security protocols. Another crucial step is to tailor your route settings, notifications, and other account-specific preferences. This customization minimizes any inefficiencies and ensures everything runs according to your schedule and business model. Don't forget to configure email templates and text message settings. Automated reminders play an essential role in client communication and can enhance responsiveness and client satisfaction. By setting these up, you ensure clear and consistent communication with your clients. Lastly, set up the work types, job durations, and other preferences unique to your services. These settings allow Jobber to better cater to your specific business requirements, assisting with efficient scheduling and execution of tasks. And there we have it, a comprehensive setup that equips your business for streamlined operations with Jobber. By following these steps, you've laid a solid foundation to leverage Jobber's features fully. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you get off to a great start with Jobber.